Welcome to science class. Get ready to unravel these 20 riddles about cells and cell organelles. You have 5 seconds per riddle. Let the fun begin. Riddle number 1. I stand tall, rigid and strong, guarding the cell where I belong, offering support, protection and shape. What am I? I am a cell wall. Riddle number 2. Within the cell, I'm a bustling sea, where organelles roam, wild and free. Gel-like and vast, I hold the key to all the reactions that occur inside of me. What am I? I am the cytoplasm. Riddle number 3. I am the brain of the cell, or so they say. I regulate all activities of eukaryotic cells. What am I? I am the nucleus. Riddle number 4. I am full of holes, flexible and thin. I control what comes in and what gets out. What am I? I am the cell membrane. Riddle number 5. A storage sac, vast and wide, holding water, nutrients, and salt. When full, I provide support, and if I shrink, the plant may wilt. What am I? I am the vacuole. Riddle number 6. A maze of tunnels I extend and bend, where proteins are made from end to end. Smooth or rough, I play my part. What am I? Within the cellular cart. I am the endoplasmic reticulum. Riddle number 7. I am a true powerhouse. I break down food to release energy. What am I? I am the mitochondrion. Riddle number 8. I am the vessel of new life start, waiting to merge with counterpart, filled with potential to create anew. What am I? I am an egg cell. Riddle number 9. I am the food producer of cells, found in plant and some Protoctus cells. I absorb sunlight energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen. What am I? I am the chloroplast. Riddle number 10. I'm the cellular digestive system, found in animal cells. I contain enzymes to break down wastes and other materials. What am I? I am a lysosome. Riddle number 11. Tiny and numerous, I am a protein factory, building proteins in the cell. I float in the cytosol, or bind to the ER. What am I? I am a ribosome. Riddle number 12. I am the carrier of oxygen through veins and arteries. My biconcave form and lack of nucleus increases my oxygen-carrying load. What am I? I am a red blood cell. Riddle number 13. I am a small, dense spherical structure found within the nucleus. I help produce the cell's ribosomes. What am I? I am a nucleolus. Riddle number 14. I am the cell's shipping center, responsible for modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids. What am I? I am the Golgi body. Riddle number 15. I am a traveler, swift and small, racing to fertilize. With a whip-like tail, I journey far. What am I? I am a sperm cell. Riddle number 16. From root to stem to leaf, I transport water and mineral salts too. What am I? I am the xylem vessel. Riddle number 17. Found in the nucleus, I am the code of life. Double-stranded helix, a genetic blueprint. What am I? I am DNA. Riddle number 18. Found underground, I extend my reach. Water and minerals, my treasures to keep. What am I? I am the root hair cell. Riddle number 19. Found in blood, I defend the body. Against invaders, I know what to do. Producing antibodies, I will beat the infection. What am I? I am a white blood cell. Riddle number 20. I am the messenger from sense organ to spine to the brain and back. With dendrites and axons, I send the signal. What am I? I am a nerve cell.